Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all the stationery that I got from Flipkart. All the products are from Flipkart itself. So let me start with books that I have. I have almost 5 different books, notebooks. So this is the first one. It is from the brand Luxor. It is a notebook of 180 pages. So there are different covers that you can get outside. Now the cost of this is 68 what I got, but the original is 75 rupees and it is 180 pages. So it's 18 by 24 centimeter. On the front page you get this name and everything where you can write, you can insert your selfie and all, and you get on that cardboard the first part, games also. These are the pages how it is. Now the quality of all the books, their pages are very nice. And behind also you get this games. It's a very nice book. Now the second book that I have is also of Luxor, but it is 300 pages, and the cost of this, which I got it for 124 rupees, but the original is 145 rupees. Okay, it comes in the plastic wrapping. Even the first one, all the books are actually coming in plastic wrapping. I have opened up some. Even the outside cover of this book you can get differently. Now this particular one is a 6 subject notebook, so you can make it, it's good for college use and all. So the first page is same, just that there are no games on the cover part of it, but the filling up of name and of everything, that page is same. The writing pages that you get, that are also same. Now here you get this separators, like for every subject you can make one, like till per thing you can keep one. So this is a blue color separator that you get for the first part. That are also pages only. This is a orange color in red. You can write on those pages, like this particular part is for that subject, blue color. Okay, so you can write up to 6 different subjects on this one book only. So it's a very nice book for college students and all. Now next again I have this Luxor book, and in this I have 3 books of the same. Of those 300 pages I got 2. This is again 160 pages, I think this book is. This is how the book looks like. The cost of this is 85 given here. I got it for 64 rupees. Now on Flipkart you get this offer. If you buy one, you get buy two, you get 10% off. 3 you get 5, something like that. So I got it like that. So if you buy more, you will get more off. So that's why I got it in less price. So the books are same because it's from same brand. The quality is also very nice. Next I have this Luxor B5 notebook. So now this size length of this is little bit less. The cost of this is 90 rupees, but I got it for 81, and it is 180 pages book. So this also comes with plastic wrapping outside. All the books have this, as I said. On the cover they have written something. This is also a very nice book. It's a small one, very easy to carry. This is the first page. The first page is normally the same in all these books. Now only difference in this book is the lines that are there on this book compared to the other books are little bit smaller. Okay, I'll show you all how it is the comparison. So see, on this book it's a bit bigger, and that is it's bit of smaller size, but the quality and everything is same. It's a very nice book. And for last I have this classmate regular notebook that is again 300 pages. This outer covering is kind of plastic, it's kind of thick, it's a bit different compared to those. This is of Classmates, so even the front page is a bit different. Those were of Luxor. The pages that are there, lines and that is all same. Now here also you get this separator, 6. This separator are also of paper, but just the design is different. Now the cost of this is 123 rupees I got it for, but the original cost is 145 rupees. It's a very nice book, and if you get it for such nice price, it will be a good deal. You can use it for college or anything. Even school students can use this. But for college it will be much more convenient. You don't need to carry many books. On one book only you can write many things like different subjects, so that is why I like this book. For next I have this post-it stickers. Now you get this in 5 colors. You get variety of different colors also, I think, and different sizes and all that. The look of it, now design square it, you can get it in different shapes as well. So this is the first one, that is orange. You can stick it, you can write something on that if you want to remember. It's very nice thing to, if you want to remember something, then you can stick it where you can see this. And the glue is very nice. So this was from Scotch Sticky. So you get 100 sheets in each, and you get 5 different colors. That is, this one is orange, then you get blue, pink, green, purple, and for 266 rupees you are getting this 5. The original cost comes up to 350. Each one they have mentioned is 70, I think. So original comes to 350. That for 266 you get, it is very much good deal. You get different patterns also in this. You all can check it out. They are of very good quality. The glue that they have, that sticks very well. And the colors also that they have given is very nice. This is a very useful product. Even if you want to make little notes and here and there on your books, so you can stick it up. It's a very useful product. For next I have this tapes. So they are decorative tapes. You get this pack of 20. In each one there is 10. So altogether there are 20 tapes, but the tape designs are same in both. Little difference is also there. Now this tape is 3 meter each. You get 3 meter in length, and this is, you can use it for decoration and all. The original price that they had mentioned was 399, but I got it for 152 rupees. It's a very good tape, sticks very well. For any decoration and all, you can use it. Next I have this highlighters. Actually there are 5 that you get. that I lost two of them. Means I have finished I think the two of them. You get green and one more color, yellow I think. So now I have pink, orange and one more reddish kind of a color. It's a very good highlighter that you get. I think it comes around 75 rupees or something. If you go to buy it separately or even from shops, you get 20 rupees for each one. That comes up to 100 for 5. So these are the three colors, but if you buy online you get it for 75 rupees. These are the three colors. Two more colors were green fluorescent, green was there, and yellow color was there. Now these are the gel pens, the color gel pens that is from Flair. They are very nice to mark something or to write some headings and all that. If you are writing notes and all, they are very good for decoration. If you are making cards and all, so for that it's very nice. You get 10 different colors. I'll be showing you all this. So there is brown, orange. Now the cost of this is 100. I got it for 100 only. So 10 rupees per each pen. This is orange. Then this is sky blue color. Red color. This is green, kind of light green. And this is pink. You get nice colors in this. This is purple. This was navy blue. Then black. This is dark blue. So this is how they look. It's easy for you all to make out which color because their outside covering is also of the same color. This is blue color. And ink that you get is this much. It is little bit more, I think I have used it up little. That it's very nice fine tip, very good to write. So these are all the colors you all can see which I have written with. You get 10 colors for 100 rupees. Now next I have this Pilot pens. They are with cartridge pen, Pilot ball pens. The cost of this is 135 rupees, but I got it for 122 rupees. Now this is V7 High-Tech .07. Now this is with cartridges. This is blue and black pen, and along with that you get 2 blue cartridges and 2 black cartridges free. This is how it looks. It writes so well, like very smooth. You can even get it separately, like if you want blue only then blue, black only then black. I have one more of black that I got separately. That I got for somewhere around 43 rupees, but the original price was 50 I think. So this is how they look. They write very fine. I really like this pens, blue and black both. And these are the cartridges. This is a blue cartridge. You just have to open the pen and put it. And this is the black one. So this is the one more pen that I had got separately, black color. Now this is again Pilot, same brand the pen is. It is V7, same pen, but only the difference is that this doesn't come with a cartridge. So the cost of this is 60, but I got it for 49 rupees. This is how it looks. The size of the tip and all, the 0.7, it is same. Only the thing that this doesn't come with the cartridge, that you can change cartridges if you want. This also writes same way. All the three pens are very nice. I really like writing because it writes very smooth and fine. Next I have this is cello pens. They are cello Trimate ball pens. I got it like in a jar. It was pack of 25, which was cost 150 rupees, but I got it for somewhere around 87, I think. And I have used up all the others, so the 3 were remaining that I have shown you all. I'll be showing you all the container, how you get it. So this is the cello Trimate. These are very nice, but if you use it for very long time, then it becomes little bit of light, like if you keep open and all, so then it becomes a bit difficult to write, but otherwise they are very nice pens. Now next I have this cello fine grip pen. This also I got jar. It was pack of 25 again. The cost of this was 175. I got it somewhere around 150 or 160, something like that. I don't remember exactly. These pens are also very nice. They are very thin to hold, but they write very nicely. Bit of light. So yeah, this is how it looks. And this is the jar in which you get this type. Now this is again cello pens only, but these are Techno tip ball pens. This also you get pack of 20, but plus you get 5 refills free. So these are the refills that they give you free. The cost of this is 200 rupees, but I got it for 179 rupees. So the cheapest among all 3 was the Techno tip one, and that also writes very well. But among these 3, this one is my favorite because it writes very nicely. And for all the 3 pens you get this red covering so that the ink doesn't dry up. So once you open, you can put it back, but it is there. So these are my favorite. It writes very well. So you can try this out for 179 rupees. So I'll leave the links in the description box, so you can check it out if you like.